Hi there. Today we're taking a look at this great kitchen sink from TORVA. This is the 17 by 19 by 9-inch deep version. It is a, they call it a dark gray, but it's almost like a gunmetal finish to it, but it is a stainless steel sink. You can see 16 gauge steel, very thick. I bet you this thing weighs about 20 pounds just by itself. It does have these strengthening panels on the side. It does have this coating also, which helps to kind of deaden the sound. You can see as you hit the inside, you don't get a lot of vibration through it to make it a real noisy sink, which is nice. It also comes with this vinyl coated grate, which is good because you put kind of dishes, if it's like a prep sink, you can kind of rinse everything off and it will go down and keep your dishes or glasses kind of out of that mess. It also comes with a color matched drain to install when you get this undermount sink put in to help accent that. It looks really nice as well. This looks like a great sink. You can see it's got their name on it up here. Nice sound deadening quality and a real high quality look and feel. I hope this helps your buying decision. Thanks for watching.